and gentlemen, it is my great honor to introduce our distinguished speaker today, Mr. James Sharp. Mr. Sharp is a renowned public speaker and an influential thought leader in the realm of social issues. With an extensive academic background, he holds advanced degrees in social behavior psychology, ethics, spirituality, and social sciences. Mr. Sharp's expertise is not only rooted in his profound educational achievements, but also in his rich and varied experiences. He has delivered numerous impactful talks at prestigious universities, engaging social and spiritual gatherings, and influential conferences around the globe. His dedication to understanding and addressing social challenges has been a driving force behind his work. His research and practical insights have been eloquently reflected in his speeches, lectures, and publications, making him a respected voice in the field. Mr. Sharp's ability to connect deeply with diverse audiences and his unwavering commitment to fostering social understanding and ethical behavior have earned him widespread recognition and admiration. Today, he will share his invaluable perspectives on the vital topic of becoming true peace practitioners conducive to world peace. Please join me in warmly welcoming Mr. James Sharp to the podium.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow advocates for peace, thank you for that warm introduction. It is a privilege to be here with you today at this esteemed conference. As mentioned, my journey has taken me through various social, ethical, and spiritual landscapes, all converging on the profound and essential pursuit of peace. Today, we gather to explore a profound and essential question. How can we learn and teach to live as true peace practitioners conducive to world peace? Peace is a multifaceted concept that encompasses personal tranquility, harmonious relationships, and global harmony. Throughout history, peace movements have inspired us to strive for a world free from violence and conflict. As we consider the foundation of peace, we recognize that at the heart of these movements lies the principle of inner peace, a cornerstone of our journey as peace practitioners. Achieving inner peace is not a destination but a continuous journey. It involves developing emotional intelligence, practicing self-compassion, and engaging in regular mindfulness and self-reflection. This inner peace enhances our ability to practice peace externally, allowing us to approach challenges with calmness and empathy. True peace begins with our everyday interactions. Nonviolent communication and conflict resolution are practical skills that we can apply in our personal and professional lives. By leading by example and modeling peaceful behavior, we inspire those around us to embrace peace. Building peaceful relationships requires patience, understanding, and a commitment to mutual respect. Navigating the complexities of our modern world can be challenging. Systemic barriers, human emotions, and diverse perspectives often pose obstacles. However, embracing imperfection and learning from setbacks are crucial steps in our journey. Resilience and adaptability enable us to stay committed to our peace-building goals, even in the face of adversity. Our efforts must extend beyond personal practice. Engaging in local peace-building initiatives and collaborating with community organizations can create ripples of positive change. On a global scale, understanding and supporting international peace efforts amplify our impact. By working together, we can address the root causes of conflict and promote lasting peace. A mindset aligned with world peace is essential. Cultivating open-mindedness and empathy helps us understand diverse perspectives and build bridges of understanding. Lifelong learning keeps us informed and motivated, allowing us to adapt to evolving challenges. Participating in workshops, seminars, and peace-building communities enhances our knowledge and skills. Belief and faith are powerful elements that can drive our commitment to peace. Belief in concepts such as unity in diversity and the unity of the human race provides a meaningful foundation for our efforts. Faith in the possibility and inevitability of world peace can strengthen our resolve and inspire others. Believing in unity in diversity means recognizing and celebrating the differences among individuals and cultures. It's about appreciating the rich tapestry of human experiences and understanding that our diversity is a source of strength. This belief fosters mutual respect, collaboration, and a deeper appreciation for our shared humanity. Similarly, Belief in the unity of the human race means seeing oneself as a global citizen. It's about acknowledging our interconnectedness and taking responsibility for the well-being of all people. This belief fosters empathy, compassion, and a sense of collective action towards global peace. Now, let's explore some practical applications of faith and belief in the context of peace. First, practicing reflective activities such as journaling, meditation, and mindfulness helps connect with our inner beliefs and cultivate a sense of purpose. Secondly, storytelling and learning from role models can reinforce belief in peace and demonstrate its achievability. Community and support networks play a crucial role as well. Peer groups and mentorship provide encouragement and strengthen faith in collective efforts. Educational content that includes topics related to faith, belief, and the power of positive thinking can be integrated into the curriculum to further support this journey. Goal setting and visualization are also vital. Encouraging practitioners to create vision boards and set SMART goals translates belief into actionable steps. Positive reinforcement, such as celebrating successes and using affirmations, helps internalize these positive beliefs. Let's look at real-world examples of successful peace practitioners and initiatives. These case studies demonstrate the tangible impact of our efforts. From grassroots movements to international organizations, there are countless stories of individuals and groups making a difference. We can draw inspiration and lessons from these experiences. In conclusion, the journey towards becoming a peace practitioner aligned with world peace is one of continuous growth, resilience, and collective effort. By focusing on inner peace, practicing peace in daily life, and engaging with our communities and the world, we contribute to a more harmonious and just world. Let us embrace this journey with hope, determination, and a commitment to positive change. Together, we can create a brighter future for all. Thank you.